Oh my god. Chad, you gotta buzz me for that one. I'm so good. Honestly, cause like OMG girl. Hold on. Octagon.
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 Never gone.
What? I'm so confusion right now. My game's at 84%. Hell yeah, Burp. That wasn't stinks. Titty, nipple. What up, Ivan? How you doing tonight? I wouldn't say coffee art. Wait for my hype train. And the subs, and you guys are just the best, dude. I freaking out there. Wait. Guys, I have something to tell you. Pretending I shouldn't be sleeping. Also, what's going on about? Can you shut the freak up right now? I have to burp. My neck. Nice. Whenever I was little, bro, I played that shit on my PS3. Don't remember shit. Frappuccino, if you're still here, that one was for you. Hold on. You know? I'm smoking right now. Let's say you leave it in the woods, honey, for 2 weeks and there wasn't a shower. What? He's reset? Oh, really? What, from the, okay. Like, herb. Correct. See, like, on Friday. I don't know what hinges. Dude, same Luxie. Me fucking too. What's that guy's name? While I was in the chair, bruh. And I was literally like, what the fuck? Being schizo. $1 million for as a kid? Holy shit. Okay, I'm trying to find a good like clip of me with bangs. Hug anything? A laxative? Huh? Oh, gotta learn ult. Yeah, I know. It was so weird. Never dealt with them? The random ass Minecraft torch. I have a cat named Garfield. Is he orange? Oh, my tummy. Oh my god, vet appointment? I think the no bangs makes me look very back. Oh yeah, there's a fish in the mail. Got are much, to be honest. Huh? You did though? Girl, let's say they're crazy. Clear my path. Good night! Yeah. Or Thursday. Doth my nose? I'm just kidding. She like that answer. Isn't she good? It's what I know. No, I get it because like literally my whole life. Jesus Christ. I literally hate myself firing that shit. Amaranth, I think. Realizing myself. Self feet pics. See, it's just a YouTube video or something. God of War 2018 or Fallout 2018. Which one is that? I don't know. Like, this bitch is a bad. This Amber Glenn bitch. She's cute. Oh god, that hurt. Fuck. Hold on, there's more, dude. Oh god. Bye. Hey! Did I quack in the interview? What does that mean? What are you guys talking about? Some chowder that squirts stuff on you. I have so many knots in my back right now on the left side. I used to have a little baby camera. Piece of shit now. Thanks. Under my bro, that's how I sit too. Both up right now. That's how me. You can, yeah, but they're like gonna call the cops because I have to go to Walmart tomorrow. I don't want to go. Me. Okay. I'm getting old. Yeah, I'm literally fucking getting old. I'm telling their mom. Oh, thank you, AG Poo. I think Flop killed him.
Scared.
Oh my god, let me see you, Shugs. Me after sweep. Guys, I haven't. We're gonna start when I get home. Yeah, but I have to 70 and it's fine. Mountains. Yeah, I think that's what's happening, except I'm not playing any games. Girl, or you and the mom? What's even... Let her dad... Let her know her... I don't feel so good. I remember when I was 24 from that night. Among Us. Oh my god. That's so bad. Easy. Happy tree months. Oh, happy tree months, sweetheart. Eat, bruh. Or sometimes it'll be a little later than that because I'm not hungry, but I didn't mean to throw it, okay? I swear. I gotta give myself a... I remember when I was like 16, I'd want to go to... Oh my god, Tindy, your name leaked. No. When it was... Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna puke. Yeah. How long? That's guys, Guys, let's listen to that song. Oh my god, I know that song. Inject me with laxatives. They put her on the back of a book. Did you guys know? Yes, well, I'm glad. Anyways, gotta get sleep. I have some Spider-Man. Oh my god. He's good at everything.
I promise. Rigby?
I don't think so. Oh. Oh fuck. Negative. No, we're gonna play Labyrinthine. I would give you a good, but like, the couch is like, ass period.
Should I bring you on? Never mind.
A big fat no. I look so dumb. He's literally lying. He's literally. I know. Thanks, Dylan. How was your day? What'd you do? So why not freaking play it? I'll be sick. Oh. Oh. What, are you homophobic? This is what separates girls from women. Mundo. I'm gonna run from Mundo. Oh, my longest. Or do you just throw? My hair is too. Oh. I also have a black uncle. I'm looking.
You hungry?
But the water was like all dry. I love food. Fucking lip piercing.
No.
She's lesbian, not gay. Otherwise, you're gonna run into that shit during your relationship. And one of my my pizza has 3 minutes. And I'm gay. And so does everyone that is sub. What is that? Guys, I think
You just blowing from stupid.
so. I graduated at the tail end of COVID after. Is that normal? No. But yeah, I agree, bruh. Oh my god, help.
Oh, two bitch ass Rocketeer around.
Brandon Rogers, you remember that video we watched?
Goddamn.
Give it up for Wef the Burp. Oh my god.
Never use arpeggio.
I just recycled it.
I used it once.
Doo-doo fart. Buried City. You have a gun? Guys.
Tonight, he'll be out tomorrow. He already said he doesn't want to press charges. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I won't have any clout.
Can I have what's left? Yeah. Where's Burp Ref, bruh?
I don't know why the Sentinels spawn on Dam. Actually,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, 1965. Chargers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just bought some.
No. Trust.
Yeah. The game's still pretty good, Mr. Doctor. We're just farming. Was that 2 teams? Oh.
Oh. Any paddle boat I see him. Oh, oh, it's all?
I went there like 2 days ago. And like the big huge water jug. Alright, I'm ordering my Taco Bell. Oh! Oh my god. Drivers just love turning in front of you. Marvin. I could have it. No, my piercing's fine.
Right there.
The links. I was a brother at one point. I know Jay told me, bruh. No, it wasn't anything bad or anything. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Salmon. Hi, Tismo. Hi, Tismo. What are you doing? I would just hide in the bathroom.
Damn. Costco guys.
If I worked at Costco and some guys started giving me booms, I'd...
Oh, I'm dying. See, like... someone hacked Ubisoft and gave everyone oh my god. No! This one. That one's pretty good. Oh my god! EXO, go piss girl, slay. I don't remember. What flavor? Layman. Alright, now I have to. Okay, guys. Not. Hi, Martin. How are you?
Tired.
No.
Every time I play Valorant, my hands just freeze.
Get off all the time in the world.
Oh. But they got a gift. Oh my god, I thought I was either gonna. The real game will either. You guys will probably think this is so. Oh god. Hey. Alright, guys, so here. Oh god. Oh my. Oh god, I just ate it. OMG shop. I love. Who dat? From maybe just throw a little bit. I can get it. Waka wah, waka wah. Missed them. Lucy. Shuggy. Oh my god. Are these all V?
Yes.
Have you guys ever got a lap dance at a strip club? Not be poor anymore, obviously. Can't you get in? Oh.
Mr. Jakey.
OMG, Shaw, what are you doing? Like here. There's more. Oh yeah! Now I don't. Oh god. Oh. Only do a corner. Oh my bad. Crying stream. Who dat? From Beetlejuice? Four? Oh, sorry. Play. I can get it. People. I kind of like. Little Nightmares pisses me off. I'm good off that. I fucking You're the apple of my eye. Stuff, but until you stream, what the fuck? Are you Lamar Jackson edit? I'm a Twitch baby now. No, you are not. Oh hell yeah, I am. Oh! To the hand. Sorry. Oh! Braden.
I'm just gonna stand right. God. That's too scary. Yeah, there's a pig in front of us.
I'll fight both of you right now. 3 of you, actually. Oh my god, I thought I was either gonna burp or throw. The real game will either. Okay, but like, you want to know? You guys will probably think this is so nasty. I know I say all this. Oh god. Hey Dexter, how are you? Alright guys, so here's the plan.
「
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Hopefully it's for me. Oh my god, guys. That interesting timing with the game. You're gonna let her put.
No.
Nobody yet. Yeah. Slave. He's just stupid and decided. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna throw up for. Because all my life, genuinely.
I have shield charges for you.
Oh my god, you do?
No.